All right, adding, subtracting, and multiplying polynomials. We're going to start off with just adding and subtracting. I'll multiply them in just a second. These are actually as easy as pie. All right, all we're doing is collecting terms. And there will be people who get these incredibly wrong on the tests. That's because I really don't understand why, because these really are nothing more than collecting terms. So for number one, since we're adding the two binomials, the one on the left, or trinomials, the one on the left and the one on the right, we really don't even need the parentheses because we can just combine our terms. So if I've got negative 4x minus x, negative 4x squared minus x squared, that's negative 5x squared. Then I'll do my x's, negative 6 plus 7, well that's positive 1, so plus x. And a negative 18 plus x is 8, 8, 16, so that's 26. Done. All right. Number two, the only difference on number two is the big fat negative. This is where it flips people out. They'll subtract, but they'll only subtract the first one. They won't do it the rest. This is like having a big fat negative 1 right there. You have to distribute that negative 1 to everything on the inside. So to fix it, I'll multiply everything by negative 1. So this becomes positive. So negative times a negative becomes a positive. A negative times a positive becomes a negative. And a negative times a negative again becomes a positive. So if you would like to rewrite all of this, which you are more than welcome to, this is 6x squared minus 12x plus 48 plus x squared minus 24x plus 63. I basically flipped the signs of everything on the right, and now we're adding. That is the hardest part. Ooh. Yeah, today gets a little harder than that, but not by a ton. But yeah, so here we go. Actually, it does get a little harder than this, but as far as adding or subtracting, it doesn't. From here, we're just combining terms. So x squared, we'll start with x squared. 6 plus 1 is 7, so that's 7x squared. Negative 12 minus 24, that's negative 36. And 48 plus 63, that's what, 8, 9, 10, 11. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh, 111. So there's your answer. Let's write that a little bit cleaner. Plus 1, 1, 1. There's your answer. Okay? And for those of you who like the little tildes, put 1 on your 7. Yeah. Number 3. If I were you, I'd pause and try number 3 on your own real fast. But for everyone who's just kind of watching, not writing anything down, what I'm going to do, I would not rewrite this. I would literally just go through here, change that to a positive, and flip. Oh, what's it doing? No, stop it. My iPad's acting stupid. That's a negative. That's a positive. That's no negative. That is what I would do. And then combine terms. Start with your highest degree and work down. The highest exponent, work down. So the fourths. So negative 11 x fourth, negative 11 x fourth, positive 11 x fourth. Those just cancel out. Wow, how nice. I got negative x cubed minus 5x. Ooh, I don't have an x cubed over there. It's an x squared. So just negative x to the third. Negative x squared minus 5x squared. So it's 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's negative 8x squared. 10x plus 7x, that's plus 17x. Negative 2 minus 13, that's negative 15. That would be your answer right there. Let's include the 3 in there. There we go. That's your answer.